Okay, all right. So let's see part number two, how to use mimic ads. So I suppose that we know that how to upload mimic ads on your shell. All right. What next? I already installed mimic ads. Sorry, I uploaded the mimic ads on target system. Here it is. All right, and I already show you how I got hashes, administrator hash, uh, Kerberos, ARBTGT, machine 1, and so on. So once I got the hash, I tried to crack the hash using Hashcato. Here I apply. I think so. I think. Mm-hmm. All right, let me show you. Again, not here, not here. All right, okay, fine. Once I got a use password, uh, ls hash7 hashcat hashcat hyphen h0 hyphen 1000 hash 7 user shared birthday software hyphen. Let me check. I will show command. I already get a password one, and a password like this. So 9n6 hash user is 9b user is machine one, and then n6 user password is administrator. All right, fine. Okay, by doing the cd and patching the hashes is like using this command. So cracking those the hashes without hashcat, or sorry, with a hashcat is like the command is like hashcat hyphen m thousands with the l hash value. Okay, hash and the rock view quotient password hash. Now the next point is golden ticket attacks with mimic ads. What is golden ticket attacks? Previously we noticed that the when we dump the hash from the LSA secret, there is a Kerberos or KRBTGT hash. It means Kerberos. When users submit a request for the TGT, like ticket grant ticket, the KDC encrypted the TGT using the KRBTGT account password hash as the secret key for the encryption, correct? Thus, having the secret identification like SIT and NTLM hash of the Kerberos or KRBTGT account allow us to create custom TGT, which is also like known as golden ticket. Okay, so it is allow you to create a custom TGT. So having the golden tickets allow us to any machine or account in the Active Directory. So firstly, we will need to use RDP or access. Okay, so like RDP is access if the machine has been spawned on other shell or CMD windows, or later the operator generated the golden ticket using the SSH. You can you're not allowed to access the evaluations of like like using the SSH will not allow us to access the evaluate shell later. Okay, that's why I'm going to use our desktop. Okay, like remote desktop. Oh, let's copy this and paste it. So IP address of my target system is this one. Now I'm trying to get a RDP access. Yes, it will ask me password that I don't know. Administrator password is this one. All right. Password. Oops. Password. All right. Pass at the rate dollar capital W I guess 0 and RD. Wrong password. Mm, capital Pa and dollar capital W 0 RD. Oh, cool. Okay. Once you're getting the RDP access, how to dump Kerberos hash. First, we'll need to launch Mimikatz from the administrator shell and check its privilege using privilege debugging. I will show you how to dump Kerberos user and hash in further video. But at least let's see how I hack this using Mimikatz. Okay, so there are a number of methods also. Next time we'll discuss about lacking packet and all. Right now, going to show Mimikatz. Okay. Mm, let me close this. So first we will need to launch Mimikatz from the administrator shells and check the privilege using the privilege debugging. Okay. CMD. Right click, run as administrator. Which command? Like privilege and debug. Why we need to use this? We will need to launch Mimikatz from the administrator shell and check its privilege using this. So the output is like okay, then okay. Enter. Sorry, Mimikatz. CD download dir dot slash Mimikatz. Okay. Copy paste. Privilege 200 20. Okay, fine. It means what? How you are doing? Okay. So now we can now dump the hash for or of ARBTGT count. How using this command? LSA dump LSA insert name is what? ARBTGT. So let's see. Wow. NTLM hash for Kerberos the hash NTLM and the salt is phase 1 AES 256. Okay. All right. Golden day. Okay. So NTLM hash is like one more thing is what SID number. So SID number is what this one controller, domain controller number, and the primary NTLM hash is. So creating the gold, how to now. So one of most important things how to create golden ticket. First, find out what the Kerberos like to the Kerberos, find the account, dump the hashes of Kerberos, and then create the golden ticket. How we can actually create a ticket using any username. Only the SID, domain name, and the password hash must be correct. But domain name, SID, only the SID, domain name, and password hash. Password hash must be correct, which is Kerberos SID and password hash. However, I will be using the username is administrator. Okay, instead, okay, UID is said to be 500, which is the RID of the domain name. Domain admin. How? I will show you. Okay, so giving it the most privilege in the whole agent. So let's create a Kerberos ticket, like using the Kerberos golden ticket. User is administrator. Domain is controller local. SID is this, which I just grab, and Kerberos hash of Kerberos ID equal to 5000 100. Sorry, click and it will correct Kerberos user. Okay. So using the golden ticket to access the authorized machine. Okay, fine, fine. Let first create the what? Let's create the golden ticket first. Okay, from here. Mm, yeah. Oh, okay. SID so one SID 6 is okay, okay, okay. SID also okay. Hello, who is this? Copy. Yes, who is this? Who is this? तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने एक टिकट फोन कट हो गया है यहाँ पे we just created a golden ticket or right correct um mm, mm, okay, creating the golden ticket done. How to use this golden ticket or the other or like access to other machines? We can now spawn the 11 shells from the mechanics. Let's see. Mix the empty. By okay, I'm not showing that practicals. By right, we can use the psec.exe desktop cmd.exe in evaluating the shell. However, THM does not support having the multiple machines in it. All right. Thus, we cannot get the try the another machine with the golden ticket. Okay, fine. And what enumerating the with server manager, you can do this like administrator control and rare and enumeration in the server management. I get to directory user commands and all. Maintaining the access, you can generate the method with the reverse scale. Now the point is what how to do the persistence. First create the exe file by using the MSF Venom, put your IP address and all, and transfer the payload shell like file over your by using the exit field. Okay, on the administrator access. Password is already you know that. So once you done this whole thing, just upload your shell.exe file and start your listening over the meta exploit MS like MSF console. Alright, set your everything like listening book and on and run it. So run the your file.xl.exe file, you will get a access like shell access. So do we get the objective like this is an update the persistent in the victim's machine. Yeah, so that's all. But let me do one thing like we can use exploit Windows local persistence exploits and then do everything. Okay, like this, simple.